Fast connection DP MCB, double pole circuit breaker or magnetic contactor 1 or single phase motor or water tank or sense over left or right means automatic or manual section switch or water sensor means box to control automatic or switch stop switch or start switch. Fast input phase input MCB to neutral connection input or outgoing to magnetic conductor L1 or neutral to L2 connection input or outgoing to single phase motor connection or control section in common terminal has input change over input or automatic control section to phase line outgoing or outgoing to switch connection to coil connection to NO connection or start switch outgoing to NO connection or manual section to stop switch connection or stop switch outgoing to start connection switch. Circuit diagram is complete or neutral connection, coil connection. Testing automatic control pump. Automatic section motor on, tanky, water level high, motor is off, automatic or water tanky is down, motor automatically on, motor on level high, off, motor automatic off. And manual control pump manually on, manual on, sense over the manually off, very simple automatic or manual water pump control. Thank you.